I met my husband in a club. He was nice, friendly, funny. Then after 3 months I met him, then we got married. After 2 days we got married, he told me that he was into drugs. After a few months, I got pregnant with our first one. He's still into drugs. While I was working, my son called me, "Mommy, can you get me?" Because I think Daddy put something in my bag. He opened his bag. He showed me a bag of heroin. I got a call. Your husband is caught. He was handcuffed in front of the boys. They were crying very loud. The youngest one was holding on to him while he was handcuffed. I really don't know what to do. I'm at loss that night. I'm a boutique manager. But you know, I have 4 kids and a mom, so sometimes it's not enough. I need my mom's help. She's willing to help me and my boys, and they are very close to her. I'm just worried about my second and third one. Their results are not quite good. Maybe they are playful.
I love playing soccer since I was primary 1, so it has become my passion. I play for my school. We strive to be the best. I want to be a really, really good soccer player.
Fortunately, ISCOS say that they got this sponsored football program for the 2 boys, and I'm quite happy. My second and third one has been going to the sponsored tuition weekly. They say it's good, Mommy. We learn better. I want my children to be somebody successful. I'm not sure, because they want to be a soccer player. Maybe they can be in national team with the help of ISCOS, sponsored football academy. Yeah, who knows? They be somebody when they grow up.
Coconuts TV.